Your life shouldn't be a beta test for a mystery gadget found in a social media ad. We are talking about carbon monoxide. It is invisible. It is silent. It is deadly. That specific kind of danger creates a lot of anxiety for homeowners. Some companies see that anxiety as a gold mine. Take the Steadfast Haven detector, for example. This thing is everywhere lately. The ads are incredibly slick. They make it sound like every other alarm in your house is a ticking time bomb. They claim standard detectors are basically asleep at the wheel. Most alarms trigger at 70 parts per million. This brand says they start at 0. It sounds brilliant. You think you can see the danger rising before you even feel a headache. It feels like having a high-tech shield around your bedroom. But here is the problem. Where is the proof? I searched for independent testing. I looked for official safety documentation. I found a whole lot of nothing. This is not a phone charger or a kitchen spatula. This is a life-saving device. If a company cannot show a clear safety certification, you have a major issue. Reliable brands always lead with their certifications. They shout about their industry standards from the rooftops. This product stays very quiet about that. Some eagle-eyed people notice something else too. The photos in the ads look fake. The people in the testimonials look like they were generated by a computer. Even the stories feel manufactured. It is the classic playbook for a dropshipping scheme. They find a cheap product. They wrap it in a professional-looking website. They use fear to make you click that buy button. It is a cynical way to do business. If this device fails, the consequences are permanent. You cannot afford to take a chance on a mystery box. Think about the peace of mind you actually want. True peace of mind comes from history and trust. It comes from brands that have been tested in real labs by real engineers. This Steadfast Haven device offers a digital display that might just be showing you random numbers. We do not know if the sensors are even accurate. We do not know if it will actually sound the alarm when the air gets thick. Relying on an unverified gadget is more dangerous than having no alarm at all. It gives you a false sense of security. You might ignore a real problem because the little screen says everything is fine. Do not let aggressive marketing override your common sense. Stick with the names you know. Stick with the brands that safety experts actually recommend. Your home is not a place for experimental safety gear. This product raises too many red flags to be taken seriously. It looks like a classic hype machine built on a foundation of empty promises. Save your money and buy a certified alarm from a local hardware store instead. Your safety is worth more than a flashy ad on a news feed. This is one revolutionary breakthrough that you should definitely skip. There is no shortcut when it comes to keeping your family alive. Real security is not something you find in a sponsored post. It is built on years of rigorous testing and public trust. If a deal looks too good to be true, it almost always is. This detector feels more like a prop than a piece of professional equipment. Stay smart. Stay safe. Do not buy into the hype.